Good morning, my friends. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an eye. As you see, I was snoozing back there. Go big. This is for a big day, a nice morning stretch. Get some blood flow, get your mind right. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell to never miss a workout, and click the first link in the comment section below. I want to hook you up with my most popular 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. Just click that, you get the video right away, and you get on my mailing list. So get that out of the way. Let's have a massive good time here. Filming in Florida. It's a great morning, blue skies. We have everything going for us. Let's get that breath moving in the nose and out the nose. Let's begin with lying twists. Come on down to the mat, modify as needed, and let's take the legs side to side. Want to churn the energy, get the flow going, get the blood flow going, and rev up your focus for the day. Whew. I'm already warmed up from the sun. How about you? The sun is doing its job. It's actually helping me massively warm up. One more time each side. Twist and twist. Single leg stretch, right knee in, left leg out, draw it in, inhale, switch. You can place the foot down, bend the knee, or keep the leg off the mat, head up or down. If you're in bed, well done. Just put the pillow right down there. It's already down there. Put your head down. Inhale, exhale. Get movement here. It all starts, of course, in the core. Want to rev up your abdominals, your lower back, hips and glutes. Let that spread outward into the entire body. All right, keep this going. Bring the knee slightly across. Nice stretch into the old glute here. My 46-year-old glutes. Good. Pull it across. Great functional training here. Everything we do is stuff that will assist you in your real life movements, your activities, your sports, whatever you're doing. Very honest movement, not out of the norm. One more time each side. All right, left leg down, right knee in. Let's rock that leg side to side. You could also bring it all the way across and all the way to the outside. It's a summer of movement, summer of movement. So wherever I am, I'm moving, I'm flowing. I'm also taking requests, so whatever requests you have, put them down below, within reason. Back and forth, some great mobility here in the hip, in the low back. Functional movement helps you in everyday life, from the biggest movements to the smallest. And other side. Draw it in, and it's up to you. You can also bend the knee, place the foot flat. Back and forth. Beware of the cell phone trap in the morning. I always leave my cell phone downstairs, nowhere near my bedroom, nowhere near. I want to wake up, I want to start with some breath, some meditation, some prayer, and of course movement. And reading too, have a lot of books by the bed. But however you wake up, the first thing you do, that sets the tone. It's very powerful, sets the tone for the day. So make it a good one. Don't self-sabotage yourself. Good. Boom. All right, one more time each side. There's a twist. There's a twist. Let's bring it up and over to child's pose for some electric threading the needles. What that means is take your right arm forward, slide your left arm underneath. You can also separate, so it expand them away from each other. Boom. Back and forth. Other side, slide and extend. I mean, go for it. Go for it. What do you got to lose? Go big. Go big with your morning routine. It's all body weight. You got it. It's in your range. It's in your wheelhouse. House, as Blake Shelton would say. Stretch, stretch, stretch. All right. And boom. One more time each side. Oh, hey, the mat's sticking to all this beautiful grass. A little different than Colorado, isn't it? It definitely has its own charm. Pressing back, sitting either cross-legged or onto your heels. Shoulders are gonna go like this. They're gonna go back, down, and then shoulder rolls. So we're going back, inhale up, shift it back, drop it down. Doesn't mean we're dropping or rounding. We're actually keeping a nice lifted posture. In the nose, out the nose. I wrote out a lot of good stuff. Quality, concentrated. Used to buy concentrated orange juice. That's what it is. Very concentrated. Cold. Sounds really good right now. Back and down, open up the airways. One more time. Now let's slide together. You ready to slide? My son loves slides. An homage to my son. There we go. We're gonna slide it down and through into Cobra. Hands are on the shoulders. Elbows squeezing the sides. Let them go into your ribs or against the ribs. If they went into the ribs, you might have a problem. Little pulse. Inhale up, exhale down. I got to the field early today before everyone else shows up to film their morning yoga routines. I have come first. She said, exhale down. Electrify the back. You got to get blood moving, get blood flowing. It's night and day from a rigid, cold body. Everything seems so difficult when we're not moving. That's why I call it the summer of movement. Not the summer of George, but the summer of movement. Okay, press it up and back to our beautiful downward facing dog. You knew that was coming. Take the feet hip width, slow walk. Listen to your body, always listen to it. It's going to tell you a lot of information. It's a huge Encyclopedia Britannica, if you ever had one of those. Maybe those went out in the 90s, I don't know. So I'm going to do a walk. I'm actually shifting the upper body. Also, if that's in the cards, so be it. You're getting some nice pliability in the spine and the back, especially in the lats. Feel that. You got this body. Treat it well. Do what you can. Resistant to injury. It moves freely throughout the day. Great mobility. Defying any sort of number, any sort of age. We don't care about age. Movement does not discriminate against age like this. It meets you where you need it to be. Two more. Or two more on each side. It's a beautiful thing. Knees down. Transition with great fluidity. Slide through. Again, we have the Cobra. Inhale up, exhale down. Itch the nose. Or you can have up dog pulses, pressing up. If you want to come all the way up, this is definitely more advanced, but I like to dial in these flows to match up pretty much every fitness level. You don't have to figure out how to get yourself out of a complex machine at the gym or stand in line for a bench. It's all right here in the park, wherever you are. Two more times. Getting some good oof into the arms. That's an old Greek term, oof. Big at the Acropolis. One more time. Up, up, up. Now take it again back to down dog. Bring the feet together. Relax the shoulders. It's the art of releasing. There we are. Because we can always tense things up, make everything rigid. We don't want that. Relax back and sway side to side. Some of you have done this before with me, the side to side down dog. It is a beautiful stretch for your back, your sides, your legs. Let the upper body go. Let it release. I have to get out of my own head a lot when I do these. Just go with the flow, right? As Del Griffith said, like a twig
in the shoulders of a mighty stream. Because I've trained with Del Griffith. 2 more times each side. How's that feel? Definitely opening some things up. I see the word possibility, possibilities. Opening up our realm of possibilities for the day. Bring the right foot forward, low lunge, drop that left knee back, slide it. Little pulse back and forth. Spit out, only God knows what. There we go, exhale back, inhale forward. About time to trim these toenails too. We just moved down here. Our furniture does not come till June 5th. So whatever day this goes up, think of it as we moved here and then about 17 days later the furniture came. So the toenail clippers are in a pod, probably going across Missouri right now. Good. Stretch it forward. The knee comes forward a little bit. There we are. Mobility, mobility. Get used to that word, mobility. The ability to move freely throughout the day. Other side. Slide it back, forward and back. You didn't see that. How's your breath? Inhale forward in the nose, out the nose. Exhale back, cue in the breath. If you ever edit a video, think of it as adding the vocal track. The track is there throughout the entire clip. That is your breath. Add the breath. Exhale. Take it back. Lower down to the mat once again. Take the arms out on a T and then bend the elbows. I'm going to regret this later because anytime I put my arms in the grass in Florida, they itch later. But I'll do it for you. I would do anything for you. Inhale, come on up. Drop the shoulders. Exhale, lower down. Think of massaging your stomach and your ribs. And there's the length. Inhale up. A blessed cloud has passed overhead for a moment. A wisp of cloud in the language of Tolkien. I'm a little excited this morning, aren't I? I was very excited to get out here. Nothing wrong with that. It's the fuel, the inspiration, the excitement. Just have to make sure it's tempered and balanced. What am I? That's just a gator back there. 2 more times. I call this the Mitch. Shout out to my friend Mitch. He's the group fitness instructor at Celebration Fitness. Now it's called Advent Fit, I believe. Used to take Pilates classes with him and he used to do this, so I named it after him. I always liked it. All right, child's pose. Take the knees closer together. We're gonna do some bends. So walk forward. Let's set it up for success. Press back a little bit so we have this nice long stretch, curve in the low back. You could stay here, or we walk side to side. Side bends, keeping the length. Never, ever sacrifice form for more range of motion. Beware of that trap. You'll definitely push your body out of alignment where it naturally has to go. Then we have to spend a lot of time getting back to that. If we don't, we just keep traveling further and further away from our natural alignment. And over time causes a lot of troubles. The biggest is it hinders us from continuing to work out, which we love to do, and play our favorite sports, or just run around with your children. Side to side. One more time each side. Stretch. It's like I'm on a swivel here. Back to the center. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Walk the hands up. Ooh, sitting on the heels again. Roll the shoulders back. Apologize if I have any holes in this shirt. They're rather cheap. All this movement just rips holes in the shirts. Oh, here come some kids. All right. Maybe they'll join us. Woo-hoo. 2 more times. Okay. Let us take your left foot forward. We have a modified warrior stance here.
So this knee is down, knee is slightly bent, take the arms up. So this knee is straight ahead. Little warrior tutorial. I'm always talking about form and angles of poses because one little thing can set it off and again, then push you out of your natural alignment. So this knee is forward. I see a lot of people, including instructors, doing this a lot. It caves in. Constant awareness, it's an umbrella policy on your body. All right, cactus arms. Take the arms out at a right angle, shoulders back and down. If you want full warrior, you tuck the back foot, turn in slightly. Ooh, the mat's getting hot, isn't it? 5 breaths. Nice strong hold. Encourage some nice muscle, blood feeding the muscles, muscle pop, muscle engagement. Engage. And as always, encouraging better breathing, make it the habit. Habits die hard, don't they? Good habits, you want them around forever. All right, forearm on the leg, extend. We have a side angle, nice long stretch down the side. 3 breaths. Boom! I won't get fooled again. Other side, turn. Oh, the mat's getting hot. It's hot on the feet. Thank goodness for pants. So we have our modified warrior. Boom. Cactus arms. Of course, you want full, you know where to find it. They're already, all these movements, exercises, poses are already installed in your body. We have to access them, put in the right codes, the right breath. Draw the elbows back. 3 more breaths. And side angle, extend. There we are. Does that feel good? Someone just moaned, heard that? Good. All right. Toes forward, wide stance, twist it out. Inhale up, exhale down. Start slow like you're starting a lawnmower, vroom, which you hear plenty of here in Florida. If you like, take the arm all the way up to the back and forth. Beautiful rotational movements. Loosen up your sides. All right, last one. Dive down. Had a moment there. Toe heel walk the feet. Hip width apart. Whew. Okay, inhale, rising up, stack. Ooh, shake it out. Excellent work, my friends. Very strong morning flow, morning stretch, whatever you want to call it. It's movement. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue with an I. Where are you working out from? Let me know. What kind of workouts you want to see more of? Put that down below. You like this workout, hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Especially now, man. Hit the like button and share it on, my friends. Always a pleasure to train with you from anywhere, anytime. Summer of movement, stronger every darn day.